Hey, what's up guys? How you all are doing? Today in this video we are going to talk about the Realme Buds Air Pro and Realme Buds Wireless Pro, and I'm going to let you know all things about its launch. This is Laksh and you are watching Phone Politics. Let's get started. And before we get started with this video, I want you all to subscribe to our channel. Realme Buds Air Pro is all set to launch in India on October 7th. Realme India CEO Mr. Madhav Seth has confirmed that the Realme Buds Air Pro will come with active noise cancellation of up to 35 dB. He also teased that the earbuds will have super low latency of just 94 milliseconds. Alongside the Realme Buds Air Pro, the Realme Buds Wireless Pro are also launching in the country on the same day. These are set to include 13.6 mm bass boost drivers and support Bluetooth version 5.0. Now let's talk more about the details for the launch. So Madhav Seth took to Twitter to announce that the Realme Buds Air Pro will launch in India on October 7th at 12:30 pm. The executive also shared a poster along with the tweet showing of the design of the TWS earbuds. The Realme Buds Air Pro look inspired by the AirPods Pro TWS earbuds launched in the Apple lineup last year. These Realme earbuds are teased to support active noise cancellation of up to 35 dB and offer 94 milliseconds super low latency. More details will be revealed on the day of the launch next week. Stay tuned. Now let's move ahead with the Wireless Pro. Additionally, Realme is also teasing the arrival of the Realme Buds Wireless Pro earphones on Amazon India exclusively. The page reveals that these wireless neckband headphones will launch on the same day and time, that is October 7th in India at 12:30 pm. The Realme Buds Wireless Pro are teased to also support active noise cancellation of up to 35 decibel. The headphones will also support Sony LDAC technology, Bluetooth version 5.0 for connectivity, and high-resolution audio for nearby lossless sound quality. As mentioned, these are 13.6mm bass boost drivers that are 21% larger than the previous generation. The Realme Buds Wireless Pro are further touted to offer 22 hours of playback on the single charge. Wow, that's amazing, I guess. Moving ahead, the headphones are said to last up to 16 hours if the ANC is kept on. Realme teases that 5 minutes of charging can offer up to 100 minutes of playback, and it may take about 1.5 hours to fully charge the earphones. So don't forget to put it on charge before going to bed. Moving ahead, these earbuds offer 119 milliseconds super low latency. So that's all on this video. Let's wrap this video here. Before leaving this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, do let us know what you think about these Realme earbuds series. See you soon, bye.